Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video I'll discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give your valuable time. Now, as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Shiba Inu X. Hope you guys already understand that this is a new meme coin, which is the name of Shiba Inu X. What is Shiba Inu X? In the right upper section you will get their white paper, which is not coming yet, but hope so soon they will launch their white paper. You will get their audit report, the team KYC report, also stating trace and their public sale information. So what is Shiba Inu X? Shiba Inu X token, a community powered meme token with earning ecosystem. Join the revolution with Shiba Inu X to earn from native ecosystem. Here you can see something more information about their audit report and their KYC report. Like here you can see like KYC certificate by Cyberscope, and here you can see the Shiba Inu X, which is the symbol is C. So obviously you can see about more information about it. Like literally it's amazing. Now Shiba Inu ecosystem, guys, their ecosystem as a meme coin project, it's normal. Like they will launch their swap, like there is stacking, like DEX trading, also they are centralized exchange trading. So obviously you will get all information about it in their information. Like here we can see about the stacking, the Shiba Inu X will be available on PancakeSwap. Like this is, you will get an idea about their centralized exchange listings and the DEX and many more. Now meet the press. Like here you can see the meet the press like Yahoo Finance, Morningstar, Bloomberg, Digital Journal, also their Banzix and NASA. Their network partners, like here you can see as normal, presale, CoinZilla, Binance Chain, because this token is built on BNB Smart Chain. So obviously they are Binance Chain. Also you can see the DEX to Cyberscope and the DEX here. KYC by Cyberscope and audited by CoinZilla. So obviously here you can see the CoinZilla report and you will get all information about it in their website. So obviously you can check it out for yourself about the team KYC. Now, the token allocation, here you can see the 6, like the public sale, which is the 50%, and liquidity 30%, is stacking 10%, and centralized exchange listings, which is 10%. So obviously they have no airdrops for like their holders. Here you can see something about their Binance Chain, like Shiba Inu X is based on most popular Binance Smart Chain and having a minimum supply of 50 million 6 tokens. I don't know, but right now lots of meme coin projects are coming and they are doing some limited supply, but they are pretty cool. And obviously like a recent like 3 months ago I promoted a Chit Chat token like meme coin, which has also guys give us like literally amazing profit, we can say that. Here you can see something about their more information about it. Like you will get right now lots of crypto project like meme coin project which has like limited supply. Also they have also like here you can see the 6 tokens, like which is only 15 million 6 tokens. It's amazing. It's amazing inflation. But anyways, this is crypto and anything is possible in crypto space. Hope you guys understand that. So here you can see the earning ecosystem like Shiba Inu X. Shiba Inu X are embarked on becoming a powerful transactional evolution and like to the Shiba Inu X ecosystem. Stake and earn from 6 ecosystem, like 6 means like this is the symbol of this 6. Also here you can see something about their community driven. This is literally amazing, like community driven project right now, the meme coin which is literally pump it up. Like here you can see like as an example calcium, magnesium crypto project, which is also a meme coin, but literally users like investors get massive profits from them. So literally it's amazing. At the last, you can see something about their presale package, their Dex view and the Dex tool, and you will get their social links like X, Telegram, Medium, and Parity. Now guys, their fair launch, which is upcoming on presale. Obviously, you will get information about it, the presale information, and their sale will start after 1 day. Obviously, here you can see the soft cap, which is only 30 VNVs, and they have also something about their liquidity percentage 51%, and the liquidity lockup time 120 days after the pullets. So obviously, you can see every information what you need. You can see from the presale. Also, guys, you will get our marketing ideas, what they wanted to do after the launch. Like here, you can see everything. So obviously, you can see and you can check it out for yourself. Now guys, let's have a look their X profile. So where you can see the X profile, and the team is not much active, I don't know, but I think that they are working on their building like white papers, which is not incoming yet. But guys, they have a huge audience. Like as a main point, it's okay because like around 5,000 plus followers they have. Literally, it's an amazing. And the team is active, we can say that, because as I said that they are now focusing on their buildings, like their product. Like here you can see everything. Like they are doing audited, KYC it, and many more, like staking platform coming after the launch and many more. So obviously I hope that they are working on that. Now about investments, guys, if I want to talk about it, I am pretty bullish and we can expect that like 2x to 5x from them. I don't know, but I think that because the name also like Shiba Inu X, and I hope that people will invest in like a crazy. So that's it, and please, if you are interested in investing again, guys, please make sure to do your own research. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. And thanks for watching again, and